if somebody is getting affected by us, they should get affected in a good way. And if you are getting affected by somebody, you are getting influenced by somebody, make sure yourself has that consciousness कि negative चीज़ों को filter out करना है. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. You are watching and listening to Miss Amira Jyoti on Speak Up Hesitations. Today's video is not related to any specific topic or agenda, but it's just simply related to self and the importance of self. I was just sitting and wondering and I felt this so deep कि हम जितनी भी चीज़ों से सराउंडेड होते हैं उन चीज़ों का हमारे सेल्फ पे और हमारे सेल्फ का उन सारी चीज़ों पे एक्सट्रीम इफेक्ट पड़ता है. ठीक है, आई मीन सेल्फ इज समथिंग लाइक सेल्फ अफेक्ट हो भी रहा है और सेल्फ दूसरों को अफेक्ट कर भी रहा है. सो आई पर्सनली बिलीव इन प्रियोरिटाइजिंग गुड, प्रियोरिटाइजिंग पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि हम जैसी एनर्जीज अपने साथ कैरी करेंगे हम वैसी एनर्जीज आगे पास ऑन भी करेंगे. I feel like if somebody is getting affected by us, they should get affected in a good way. And if you are getting affected by somebody, you are getting influenced by somebody, make sure yourself has that consciousness कि negative चीज़ों को filter out करना है. This is how you and I can think to work on ourselves. You know, most of the time जब हम self के बारे में बात करते हैं, it's related to who I am, my importance, my interest, my ability. Self, right? How you feel about yourself, how you think about yourself, and how many of you judge yourself too. This is who I am, this is my worth is, this is what I deserve. मतलब we judge ourselves in such a way कि हम कितने better हैं और हम कितने worse हैं. The terrible thing is कि sadly most of the time ये जो judgment हम बना लेते हैं अपने लिए, it's because we are influenced by society, which shouldn't be the case at all. And the game changing thing is the kind of self we have reflects our perspective. It also reflects that how we see things or situation. तो हमारा सेल्फ सिर्फ हम तक सीमित नहीं है, वो आगे रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है. It's reaching out to people that what kind of person we are. That's why we are able to figure out that he is not a nice person or he is a nice person. Why? Because we are able to connect with the true vibration of their self with us. So fill yourself with positivity, fill yourself with good, listen good, watch good, indulge yourself in positive things, good things. This is how we can pursue positivity, this is how we can have a positive self too. It's very pricey nowadays that we are able to bring out positive from things or situation, or we are able to see good in things or situation. But if we find somebody like that, very good, very positive, it takes time to digest, right? But isn't it a very brilliant thing that our mood instantly got lifted up when we see somebody very positive, very good, very helping, very jolly, very happy? Why? Because they reflect something unusual that is brilliant goodness. Have you ever thought what does it mean that believe in yourself? What it actually mean? Did you ever felt the core meaning of this sentence or this quote? It means don't get distracted, don't get influenced if somebody is degrading you or telling you that you simply can't do it. Just know it and trust yourself that if you're getting that vibe that you can do it, you simply can do it. There's no debate further with anybody. It's that simple. This is how you believe in yourself undoubtedly. This one thing which we all need to remember is that self is work in progress thing. Always. Just for an example, if you have that habit of criticizing yourself that I'm not good enough, I'm stupid, I'm ugly, nobody likes me, it's possible that you can get the same vibe for another person too, right? That he sounds more stupid, he's more uglier, he's not good enough. And the moment you get this vibe, the same vibe for another person, you are no more stupid now. You are no more uglier now. You'll feel good, you'll feel happy, you'll start liking yourself. So, this whole concept of criticizing yourself, I feel like it's worthless. It's illusion, it's created phenomena. And if we all can understand this thin line, we all can have a stronger self. It's that brilliant and beautiful. Alrighty, thank you so much. Thanks for bearing your patience till now. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next, and bye for now.